We live in a world saturated with visual information. Enter the world of motion graphics. Motion graphics take still images and bring them to life. These moving images tell stories, convey emotions, and leave a lasting impact on the viewer. From animated logos to stunning visual effects in films, motion graphics are essential in our visual experience. 2. Appreciate AI's impact on motion graphics. Let's look back. Early cinema relied on laborious techniques like stop motion. CGI revolutionized visual effects, creating realistic dinosaurs and epic space battles. Films like Jurassic Park showcased CGI's potential. Despite advancements creating high-quality effects, remained time-consuming. The demand for complex effects grew, pressuring artists and studios. A new technological leap was needed. Enter AI, poised to revolutionize motion graphics. AI learns from data, recognizing patterns and creating art. In motion graphics, AI streamlines workflows and enhances creativity. AI algorithms learn from billions of images and videos. This shift allows machines to create visuals independently. AI empowers artists to explore new creative avenues. The collaboration between human and machine is transformative. AI learns from data. Unlike traditional software, machine learning algorithms identify patterns and make predictions. AI automates tasks like object tracking, saving time. AI generates new content, like realistic 3D models from reference images. AI adapts and improves over time with new data. AI tools evolve, pushing the boundaries of motion graphics. This evolution promises constant innovation. AI is transforming motion graphics now. AI automates facial animation, speeding up the process. Disney uses AI to translate actors' expressions to digital characters. AI simplifies video editing tasks like rotoscoping and color grading. Adobe's After Effects uses AI for object removal and color matching. AI saves time, allowing focus on creativity. AI's applications in motion graphics are vast and evolving. AI isn't just for Hollywood, it's for everyone. VTubers use AI-driven motion capture for real-time avatars. AI-powered mobile apps make animation accessible. AI democratizes motion graphics, leading to diverse creativity. Artists worldwide use AI to tell unique stories. AI creates interactive and immersive experiences. AI transforms how we create and interact with visual media. AI empowers artists of all skill levels. AI automates tedious tasks, freeing up creative time. AI tools make complex animations easier to create. AI aids learning by analyzing professional work. AI democratizes motion graphics, leading to innovation. More people access powerful tools, enriching the industry. AI fosters diverse and engaging visual content. Beyond the hype, let's separate AI fact from fiction. AI won't replace human artists. It's a tool for creativity. AI excels at pattern recognition, but lacks human creativity. Successful AI applications combine human and machine strengths. AI's effectiveness depends on diverse, unbiased data. Creativity isn't just about efficiency, it's about exploration. Balance AI's power with human intuition and artistic exploration. AI accelerates motion graphics workflows. Time is of the essence in motion graphics. AI steps in as a game changer, offering speed and efficiency, streamlining tasks, freeing artists to focus on creativity. AI performs rotoscoping with remarkable speed and accuracy. AI optimizes entire workflows from asset creation to rendering, analyzing footage, suggesting transitions and effects, faster turnarounds, increased productivity and more creativity. AI empowers professionals to work smarter and faster. Or Section 2, complexity made easy. AI tackles the intricate with grace. AI is proving to be an invaluable ally in taming complexity, making the seemingly impossible achievable. AI algorithms excel at handling vast amounts of data and performing intricate calculations. AI-powered tools simplify fluid simulations, allowing artists to create realistic effects with ease. Similarly, AI revolutionizes particle effects, automating complex processes. This empowers artists to achieve levels of detail and realism previously unimaginable. With AI, artists can focus on their vision, pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. Unleashing creativity. AI as a catalyst for visual innovation. AI is emerging as a powerful catalyst for creativity in motion graphics. By analyzing vast amounts of visual data, AI helps artists explore new creative avenues. AI generates unique visual concepts, color palettes, and animation styles. This collaboration sparks new ideas and leads to groundbreaking visual experiences. AI acts as a creative partner, pushing the boundaries of artistic exploration. As AI evolves, it will continue to inspire and empower artists in motion graphics. The human touch, why artists remain essential in the age of AI. The rapid advancements in AI have sparked both excitement and apprehension across various industries, and the world of motion graphics is no exception. While some might fear that AI will render human artists obsolete, the reality is far more nuanced. AI, for all its computational prowess, lacks the very essence of what makes art truly captivating, the human touch. It's the artist with their unique perspective, emotional intelligence, and creative spark who breathes life into pixels and transforms data into compelling narratives. AI might excel at generating realistic textures, simulating complex physics, or even mimicking artistic styles, but it's the artist who imbues these elements with meaning, purpose, and emotional resonance. Consider the art of storytelling, a fundamental aspect of motion graphics. While AI can analyze scripts and predict audience engagement, it can't replicate the human ability to craft narratives that evoke genuine emotion, surprise, or empathy. It's the artist who understands the subtle nuances of pacing, character development, and emotional arcs, elements that are essential for creating truly immersive and memorable visual experiences. Furthermore, art is inherently subjective and open to interpretation, a realm where AI's reliance on data-driven objectivity falls short. A beautiful sunset, a melancholic melody, a thought-provoking juxtaposition of images. These are elements that resonate with us on an emotional level, shaped by our individual experiences, cultural backgrounds, and personal interpretations. AI can analyze patterns and predict trends, but it can't replicate the human capacity for subjective appreciation, emotional connection, and the creation of art that speaks to the soul. The role of the artist, therefore, extends beyond simply operating AI tools. It's about curating, guiding, and refining the output of these tools, injecting human sensibility and artistic vision into the process. The most successful motion graphics professionals in the age of AI will be those who embrace this collaborative spirit, viewing AI not as a threat, but as a powerful ally that augments their creative potential. Section 2, ethical considerations. Navigating the potential pitfalls of AI and motion graphics. The rise of AI and motion graphics brings ethical considerations that demand careful attention. AI's power to create and manipulate visual content necessitates responsible use. A major concern is AI generating deepfakes, which can spread misinformation. Deepfakes replace faces in videos with alarming realism. This technology, while useful in entertainment, poses threats if misused. Establishing ethical guidelines is crucial to prevent AI misuse. AI can perpetuate biases if trained on biased data sets. Diverse and inclusive data sets are essential to address this issue. AI automation raises questions about intellectual property and ownership. Who owns AI-generated content? The artist, developer, or data provider? These questions require collaboration as AI reshapes motion graphics. Section 3, the evolving landscape, looking ahead to the future of AI and motion graphics. The journey of AI and motion graphics is still in its early stages, filled with exhilarating possibilities. AI technology is advancing rapidly, transforming how we create and interact with visual content. AI integrated with VR and AR offers immersive experiences, adapting to your every move. Imagine AI generating lifelike characters and effects in real time. AR glasses could overlay digital information, translating languages, and identifying objects. These AI-powered experiences could revolutionize entertainment, education, and healthcare. AI tools can create visual content and respond to human emotions. AI could analyze emotions to adjust motion graphics in real time. This creates personalized, emotionally resonant experiences. AI can make motion graphics more accessible to individuals with disabilities. AI tools could generate subtitles or create alternative input methods for artists. The future of AI in motion graphics is bright, pushing creative boundaries and enhancing storytelling. Embrace collaboration to harness AI's power while preserving human creativity and empathy. AI empowers artists, amplifying their creative potential and bringing visions to life. The dawn of a new visual era. Remember those cheesy special effects from old movies? We've come a long way, haven't we? From stop motion animation to today's mind-blowing CGI, the evolution of visual storytelling is extraordinary. Now, AI is writing the next chapter. AI speeds up workflows, simplifies tasks, and empowers artists to create stunning visuals. The true magic of AI lies in amplifying human creativity. AI frees artists from mundane tasks, allowing them to explore their imaginations. With AI, artists craft compelling narratives and evoke emotions. The dawn of AI in motion graphics is a shift in creativity and collaboration. Embrace the synergy between human ingenuity and machine intelligence. Unlock new levels of artistic expression. The stories we tell and the worlds we create will be transformed by AI. Approach AI with responsibility and ethical practices. Ensure AI empowers artists to create impressive and ethical work. Section 2, shaping the future of visual storytelling. So, what does the future hold for AI in motion graphics? The possibilities are as limitless as our imaginations. Imagine a world where AI can help us create personalized entertainment experiences, tailoring the pacing, style, and even the narrative of a film or video game to our individual preferences. Picture a classroom where students can interact with historical figures brought to life through AI-powered holograms, experiencing history in a whole new dimension. Envision a world where artists can collaborate with AI to create breathtaking works of art that respond to our emotions, our environments, and even our thoughts. The future of AI in motion graphics is not just about creating prettier pictures or smoother animations. It's about creating experiences that are more engaging, more meaningful, and more deeply connected to the human experience. It's about using technology to tell stories that matter, stories that inspire, stories that help us understand ourselves and the world around us in new and profound ways. But shaping this future requires more than just technological innovation. It requires a conscious effort to cultivate a culture of collaboration, experimentation, and ethical awareness within the motion graphics community. It requires fostering dialogue between artists, developers, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI is used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. We stand at the cusp of a new era in visual storytelling, an era where the line between the real and the imagined becomes increasingly blurred, where creativity knows no bounds, and where the power of AI is harnessed to amplify the very best of human ingenuity. The journey ahead will be filled with challenges and opportunities, but one thing is certain: the future of motion graphics is bright, bold, and brimming with possibilities. So buckle up, embrace the unknown, and let's see where this exciting adventure takes us, because the story of AI and motion graphics is just beginning, and you, dear reader, have a front row seat to witness the magic unfold.